Greetings to all of you. I'm extremely happy to welcome each one of you for this session on understanding the spoken tutorial project which we have taken. As all of you are aware, under autonomy, we have not only just revised the syllabus and the curriculum, we have also want the students to earn more credits and certificate courses that they can engage in. Because of the credits that are required from 120 to 132, and each year we are having 2 in first year and 4 in the second year and 6 in third year. Since all of you are in the second year, you would have experienced your 2 earned credits in the semester 1 and semester 2, and the whole idea is to make you all employable at the end of the day when you complete your graduation. This project that we have taken under spoken tutorial is from the joining hands with IIT Bombay, and we have been doing this for many years, but this time we thought let SIES collaborate with them for 50 plus more, or rather more than so many online software training programs which will enable you to have a wonderful way of engaging yourselves after your degree. And I'm sure each of these courses that we are going to do it, you need to register yourself, and the details of it will be told by Ms. Mahalakshmi Nadar. So some of the software courses that we are going to offer, which will not only enrich you in terms of your skill development, which will also give you an opportunity to learn something more than the curriculum and your syllabus. So the message is that all of you have to register the online, log into your respective user ID, and then join into the spoken tutorial website. The evaluation process also will be held by them, and those who qualify this course they become eligible for 2 credits in semester 3. The passing standards will be 40%, and the other details will be told by Mahalakshmi. Thank you, and wishing you all the very best.